The key component to knowing if the price of an asset will go up or down is volume. If you know how much bullish or bearish volume is currently in the market, you can accurately predict if the price will rise or drop. Just look at the order book that is available on nearly every exchange. Whenever there is a spike in buy orders, this means that an excessive amount of bullish volume has entered the market, thus pushing the price up. By knowing the amount of volume in the market, you will also be able to filter out ranging or sideways markets. So in today's video, we will be covering the top 3 volume indicators that allow you to make educated and accurate predictions of the future of the price. In third place, we have a simple but very powerful volume indicator that can be used to identify trend switches in the market. Let's add this indicator to the chart. Head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Volume Flow Indicator. Select the indicator made by Lazy Bear and add it to the chart. We will also search for the EMA indicator and add it to the chart so that we can showcase a simple strategy with the Volume Flow Indicator. This indicator is based on the popular OBV indicator, but there is a very important change that has been made. The indicator values are no longer meaningless. Whenever the indicator is positive, we can assume that we are in a bullish market, and whenever the indicator is negative, we can assume that we are in a bearish market. We won't be changing the volume flow indicator settings, however, we will change the EMA length to 100. After that, we will also change the color to white to make it easier to see. Now let's take a look at how we can use the indicator. But before that, if you are looking for a crypto exchange that was founded by 6 former Binance executives and has some of the lowest fees in the space, then check out Fairdesk. Sign up via the link in the description and get up to a $600 bonus and much more perks. As you can see here, price has broken above a recent resistance point. We also see that the price is now trading above the 100-period EMA. Lastly, we see that the volume flow indicator has turned positive, crossing above the 0 line. This indicates that the market has turned bullish. This will be the entry signal for us to enter into the buy position. We will place the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable. Now let's continue scanning the market for an entry. As we can see here, the volume flow indicator crossed below the 0 line. We also see that the price is trading below the 100-period exponential moving average. All of these signals indicate that the market has entered a bearish trend. We enter the position at the point where the volume flow indicator crossed below the 0 line. We will put the stop loss at the recent swing high. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable again. Now let's take a look at the second indicator that will allow you to eliminate as many losses as possible. Head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Heatmap volume indicator. Select the indicator made by XDCal and add it to the chart. This indicator can mainly be used to eliminate as many losses as possible to make sure that your strategies become even more profitable. Simply said, the indicator colors the bars and candlesticks based on the amount of volume that is being traded. To optimize this indicator, we will head over to the indicator settings and navigate to the Inputs tab. We can see here that there are 4 volume thresholds. We will be changing the high volume threshold to 1.5. After that, we will be changing the medium volume threshold to 0.5. Out of the 4 volume levels, we will only enter into a position when the volume is at the medium level or above. If this is the case, the bar will be colored in yellow, orange, or red. As you can see, the volume increases every time the price makes big moves. This means that we can use the indicator to filter out ranging or sideways markets. Obviously, you can't enter into the market using only this indicator, but for the showcase I will be showing you some entry examples so that you will understand how to use the indicator better. As you can see here, the price crossed below the 100-period EMA. You could say that this indicates that we are entering into a bearish trend and we should enter into a sell position. However, if you look at the volume indicator, you see that there is no volume to push the price down further. So entering into a position here wouldn't be a good idea. As you can see here, the exact same thing happened, the only difference being that this time the volume indicator shows that there is a high amount of volume in the market. This means that there will be enough volume to push the price down even further. So let's enter into a sell position here. We will put the stop loss at the recent swing high. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable. As you can see here, the price crossed below the EMA. However, according to the volume indicator, there is currently little volume in the market. This means that we should not enter into the trade, so let's see what happens if we do enter into a position. As we predicted, the trade was not profitable. So let's now wait for a signal where there is enough volume in the market. As you can see here, the price crossed above the EMA. Moreover, we also see that the volume indicator is indicating that there is a lot of volume currently in the market. With this confirmation, we will enter into the buy position. We will place the stop loss at the recent swing low, and for the take profit, we will be targeting a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable. The last indicator we will be looking at is the VSA indicator. Head over to the indicator search tab and search for the volume spread indicator. Select the indicator made by this TradingView user and add it to the chart. Now let's take a look at the benefits this indicator has. The most valuable benefit is that this indicator demonstrates what whales or bigger players are doing in the market. The indicator is also a non-lagging indicator, which means that if you take a look at the indicator, you see the real-time data from the market. You can also use the indicator to identify the strength of a trend and see if the trend is losing momentum. So let's now take a look at how we can use the indicator. As you can see, whenever we enter into a ranging market, the volume level decreases. However, whenever the market starts trending, the volume level increases. So let's now take a look at how we will enter into a position with the indicator. As you can see here, the price crossed below the EMA. However, we also see that the volume indicator is displaying a green bar. This indicates that there is a low amount of volume in the market. Whenever the bar is yellow, this indicates a medium amount of volume, and whenever the bar is red, this indicates a high amount of volume in the market. Since there is a low amount of volume in the market, we won't enter into the position. Instead, we will wait for a better signal. As you can see here, the price crossed above the 100 EMA. We also see that there is a yellow bar, so we will enter into a position. We will put the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. As you can see, the trade was very profitable. I hope we could showcase some good indicators that you might want to integrate into your own strategy. Please remember that the strategies that we showcased were only shown to demonstrate how the indicators can be used. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.